One problem for every ant keeper is long vacations. If you don't have a housekeeper to feed the ants like Ants Canada, then feeding ants can be quite complicated. In this video, I will be going over how to feed different types of ants in their colony's founding stage on vacation. When you are seeing this video, I will be on vacation, so these tips can be applied to me too. In my area, the smaller species are Tetramorium, which are pavement ants, founding Pheidole colonies, which are known as big-headed ants, and Tapenoma, ghost ants and smelly house ants, depending on the species. They are quite small, so it is easy for them to drown in sugar water or honey. One solution is to dip the honey in a small piece of steak or other cooked meat. Ants do need meat to raise their larvae, so you are killing two birds with one stone. Not only does the honey preserve the meat, honey doesn't mold, there's a thin layer of honey on the meat that the ants can't drown in. My area, the big species are Formica, which are known as wood ants, Camponotus, which are known as carpenter ants, and Myrmica, which are known as European fire ants. Big ants don't drown in sugar water or honey as easily. You can just put a big blob of honey and some meat. Unfortunately, meat does mold, so if your colony really needs its protein, then dip the meat in honey too. In conclusion, it is actually not that hard to keep your colonies nourished during vacation. You just need some mixing skills. Now we can all go on vacation without worrying about our colonies. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed.